In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage no-shows and late cancellations using Booksy BizWeb. We all know that dealing with no-shows can be a real headache, but with the right settings, you can protect your business from these disruptions. Let's dive into how you can set up your account to minimize these inconveniences. First, open up Booksy Biz on your computer and sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard displaying various options. For the purpose of managing cancellation fees, you'll want to head over to the Settings section. You can easily find this option on the left-hand menu. Click on Settings, and you'll be well on your way to ensuring your policies are firmly in place. Once in Settings, you'll want to navigate to Booking Settings. Under this section, there's an option labeled Cancellation Policy. This is where you'll define the rules that work best for your business. When you open the Cancellation Policy section, you'll find an option to enable charges for no-shows or late cancellations. You'll see a toggle switch labeled Charge Clients for No-Shows or Late Cancellations. Switch this toggle to the on position to activate this feature. Now that you've activated the no-show and cancellation fee, it's crucial to decide how much you want to charge. You have two choices here. You can set a flat fee, which could be an amount like $20, or you can choose to charge a percentage of the service cost, for instance, 50%. Think about what makes sense for you and your clients, balancing fairness with assuring your business financial protection for missed appointments. It's also important to determine what you will consider a late cancellation. Typically, this might be any cancellation made less than 24 hours before the appointment time. Whatever you decide, make sure it's clear and communicated to your clients. This way, your expectations are understood upfront and they can avoid any unexpected charges. Additionally, you might want to consider requiring prepayment as part of your booking process. This step is optional, but it can really help ensure that you can collect fees when necessary. To enable this, head back to Settings and go to Payments and Prepayments. Here you can toggle on Require Prepayment. Decide if you'll require full payment upfront or just a deposit. By having this requirement in place, Booksy can automatically enforce your cancellation policy when needed. Finally, don't forget to save your changes before exiting. These adjustments will help streamline your booking process and ensure that your time is respected by your clients. By taking these steps, you've set up a robust system that not only protects your revenue, but also encourages your clients to be considerate of your time and services. Thank you for tuning into this guide, and I hope it makes managing your appointments a whole lot easier.